Get your tumblers ready because we're going to be making some beautiful spring decor featuring terrariums. Okay, so these tumblers I brought from Poundland. They are 2 packs here, and this is in a smaller size, and then another 2 pack in a larger size. So if you can get 2 different sizes, that will be great, but if you can't, don't worry. What you do want to make sure is that you have 3 tumblers if possible, but you can still work with 1 or 2. So I'm taking these 2 big ones, and I'm going to take 2 of these. This shape is really perfect for terrariums, and that's exactly why I brought these tumblers. Then I'm taking 1 of the smaller sized ones. And what I'm going to be doing is having 3 where I have the 2 larger ones like this, and then the smaller one in the middle. And then this is completely optional, but I'm going to be displaying mine in a tray, and it needs a good clean. I have it in the size 23 centimeters by 15 centimeters. It's actually a trinket tray, but I think this will work really nicely in holding the terrariums. A few other options: you can of course just display them as they are once you've finished, or you can take a frame and display them in there. Just remove the glass. This actually doesn't have a glass, it's just plastic or covering the actual frame, so you can place them in there. And the other option of displaying is taking a candlestick holder and then taking a mirror and gluing that on top of your candle holder, and then you can display the terrariums on top so that it kind of looks something like this. It's a really quick, easy, simple, inexpensive craft that you can put together in 5 minutes, and children can even have a go at this, and at the end of it you're going to have a really nice handmade gift or just beautiful decor for your home. So you want to start off by getting some gravel, and the smaller the stones the better because the size of the tumblers aren't that big. This is how much I filled mine, and then I'm going to do the same for all other tumblers. You can see the ones that I've got out of the bag straight are very dusty, so what I do is I give them a wash and then they come out a lot better. So if yours are dusty, make sure you wash them off first. Okay, so the next thing that you want to do is grab your soil. This is how much space I'm leaving in the tumbler, and that's for our moss. If you're afraid of killing off your plants or not being able to look after them, moss is definitely a good place to start. You really don't need to do much at all. Feel free to also use artificial plants. You can also do that in your terrariums. Alright, so the next step is adding your moss. Remember that you can get moss for free. There is no need to pay for it. You will find it in your garden. If not, then head over to your local park and you will be able to pick some up. That's what I've done here. All of this was from the park. I'm going to add a little piece of bark in this center tumbler here. Okay, so you're pretty much done now. This step is completely optional, and I usually do this, but with this design because of the shape, the geometrical shape of the tumbler, I'm really liking to leave it quite simple. But you can go ahead and take your figurines and then, you know, just place them inside wherever you like, however you like. As you can see, it really just does not fit with this look, so I'm just going to keep it without the figurines, but it's just an idea and another step if you'd like to do that. The other thing is, I do like how simple and clean this does look, but I still think it's missing a little bit of something perhaps in the tray or on the tray, so I think this might do. So I'm taking some branches from my garden and just place them inside and build it up so that you can see it. So there's that option, just keep building it up. I think it looks really earthy and natural and just complements it. It's really simple, but adds just that little bit of detail that I'm wanting. So you can have something like this with the additional little thin branches, or you can make a little bit more of a statement with these. I think this is a little bit bolder, and I think I might just add this on the top here, and I think I might prefer that. I'm not sure. You can also place one at the back, but because the back isn't really going to get seen, I probably won't bother with that. Or you can actually mix it up and put the twigs, the thinner twigs at the back, and then have the bigger one at the front. And so I think that's what I'm going to personally do, have the thinner branches at the back and have the big one at the front. So this is the finished look. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this DIY as much as I have. You all know how much I love terrariums, and I hope that's rubbing off on you too. I really do love this style. I think it's like a farmhouse, rustic, minimalist look. This DIY is really great for adding that touch of greenery in your home, and it looks quite expensive. It's simply made from Poundland tumblers, and the rest was pretty much free. If you have enjoyed this DIY, please do give me a thumbs up and let me hear from you guys in the comment section below. If you aren't already subscribed, please do stick around and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I really do appreciate you watching, and I appreciate your support. Until the next crafty DIY, I wish you all the best. See you soon. Bye.